Hi Dashnex community, I'm Rose from Dashnex and welcome to this episode of Dashnex Insider, the video series where we give you announcements, updates and news to help you grow both on our platforms and online in general. First, some customer service announcements. We have experienced a significant increase in emails and chat messages to our support, which is why our first response has been taking a little bit longer than usual. Please don't worry, we will respond to every single request. We are taking massive steps to improve our support system so that we can get the initial response time to just a few hours instead of days. You'll see this happening very soon. Now, regardless of the problem or the question that you have, please know that we really do care and we will respond to it ASAP. One of the biggest issues around this week is around adding a custom domain to your website. We have a step-by-step tutorial about this which walks you through, which is linked in the description. However, if you are still experiencing issues with adding your custom domain, please do reach out to us at support@dashnex.com. Next, receiving your welcome email. Please note that it can take up to 15 minutes to receive your welcome email. If you don't receive it after 15 minutes, please send us a Facebook message and we'll get that taken care of right away. When it comes to adding additional licenses, if you would like to purchase an additional license, all you have to do is email us at support@dashnex.com and we'll get them added for you. Now, moving on to our user guide segment of this video, which is designed to help you understand the platform a little better and ensure you're using it to its fullest potential. With Dashnex PowerTech, our goal is to simplify the technology so that you can turn more of your ideas into results and do it faster than you ever thought possible. Only through laser focus on selling and results can you navigate the turbulent environment we live in right now and thrive. And one of the ways to do this is to flip your mindset. Many of you will have seen our CEO Peter's face around these parts, and after decades in business, he's learned that fancy themes, micro features, and other all singing, all dancing elements of online platforms do nothing to grow business unless you're already established. Essentially, getting your store up and running quickly, then focusing on getting your first sales is what really matters. A great goal to set is to get 25 sales per day. Once you've achieved this, you can revisit your store and make any necessary adjustments. Now, Peter has asked me to highlight a few features that he thinks are essential to get you to those first 25 orders per day. So the one I'd like to discuss with you today is product feeds. With product feeds, you can start to sell products through Google Shopping, Microsoft Advertising, and the Facebook advertising platform. All you need to do is add your product feed to each of the platforms and simply set up advertising. There's no need for a large budget or anything like that, but you can start to get sales within a few minutes from the moment you get your ads approved. And the best part is that today people buy all kinds of weird stuff online, but to get the sale, you just really need to start and sell. Therefore, product feeds are your shortcut to results. You can access the product feed from your product dashboard on the store, and Peter also did a demonstration about that in the IES community, so you can go back and check that out too. So start to use our product feeds to sell now and sell more. Now some updates from the development team. Let's look at IES. So categories and collections in the product feed filter. We'd like to help our users to promote their products with an option to provide collections and categories in the product feed filter, so they can create custom feeds for each collection. Users have an option to filter out products based on the collection or to filter it based on the internal category names. That means that when a user selects a specific category or a specific collection, products from only that collection will show up. At the moment, users can add categories on the product edit page. Now looking at payments. So 3D Secure checkout for Stripe. We have actually deployed 3D Secure card payments for the Stripe integration. By enabling 3D checkout in IES stores, we've increased the level of security to our users to prevent potential fraud automatically. If the card is declined, the user is informed immediately and they cannot proceed with their payment. PayPal Express method. So we've researched and it turns out that the IPN message is not sent to the store due to a misconfigurations of users' PayPal settings. It's a bug that we're looking into. Next, customization settings. So we have enabled users with the option to provide customized featured collection text box. We have also worked on the featured collection display, which is now also available on the home page on the mobile store. We've already included the featured collection display on the home page on desktop in our previous releases. So with this latest release, we have also included the option to be available on the mobile store too. Stock quantity. So managing stock quantity for the individual product. We have added an option for our users to manage the quantity for any product, including having an option to control all product variants. Users can now control what would be the price of any quantity, which allows them to control the stock. In the case that the product is sold out, we display a sold out message when a visitor is mousing over it. This is the first step we've deployed in the automatic stock management system on IES stores. Google Merchant, the bug. So we've solved a bug that was noticed in a case when products have multiple variants shown in Google, Bing, or Facebook feeds with different prices. Review feature. We've released a review system inside of the IES to give our users the ability to collect and display product reviews. That includes managing reviews in the product reviews dashboard, regardless of which product it has been submitted for, but it allows users to manage them and sort reviews by different parameters. So number, type, product, rating, date, and status. Here we also included an option for our users to import reviews for a particular product from a file, which needs to be approved by users to be visible to their customers. That also means that for each product we display the number of reviews, ratings, and a verified badge for each of the reviews, which allows our users to create higher converting product pages. Now, the badge is added by default without checking an actual verification system, so we don't verify if the customer actually purchased the product they are reviewing or not, but it depends on the review and is added by default. Next, looking at speed optimization. So we've done the first part regarding a big improvement of the speed optimization by measuring the performance and updating configuration where needed. We are continuing to monitor and improve this though. Now we have a work in progress that's related to reviews, and it will be included in one of our near future releases. We will add an option to add photos on reviews, which will be seen on the review dashboard and will allow users to easier manage a large number of reviews and consequently approve or disapprove them. We're aware that it's valuable for users to have photos together with their reviews. We will include an option for users to give a discount on the next purchase from the store if customers submit an image for the review. We will also enable customers with an option to submit a review about a product directly from a particular product page, which will give users an option to display fresh product reviews. We're also working on functionality for Dashnex Connect to provide a general better user experience. Because of that, we're working on cleaning it up, simplifying user profiles, and much more, which will be included in one of our feature releases too. Please also know that we are always paying attention to the security side for users, as that's a really big priority for us, which we're always working on. I really hope you enjoyed this episode of Dashnex Insider. The video will be posted on our Dashnex communities on a weekly basis, but if you want it straight to your inbox, you need to make sure you're signed up to the Dashnex newsletter. All you need to do is visit dashnex.com/blog and sign up there. There's also some awesome articles and blogs that will help you grow online too, so check it out. See you next week.